talking about the hub kit that I bought for my Ram 2500 from the Ram Man Inc. It was a lot simpler than I anticipated. This is the hub that comes stock on the Dodge. Loosen up 4 bolts in the back. Loosen up this. Get it out. Get your hub out. And then the Ram Man, all you got to do, and I couldn't believe it, but that's simple. You just bolt it 1, 2, 3, 4. So you bolt it onto your axle. Then you don't have to worry about this nut, the counterpin, and the washer, because it's a Ford design. And so it's bolted on with those 4 bolts, 120 foot-pounds. That's what I torqued mine with. Then once it's on, you just put your hub and slide your hub on, line it up, and you're pretty much done, installed. So this is how it looks. Once it's installed, I've tightened my 4 bolts to 120 foot-pounds. I've greased my hub through the ABS sensor, and then all I'll do is slide my hub in. You can see my drive shaft here is not spinning, so it's in 2-wheel drive. This is still. Then if I'm to lock the hub, then it's spinning. Bam, done. And good customer service. I called the Ram Man.